Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jasmine, aka Jazz Dash, and today we will be stuffing my first paycheck of April, which I got today, April 1st, and today we'll be stuffing $520. So I already did my paycheck bill tracker for my first paycheck, so let's get into it. So I went to the bank this morning and took out the $520. So we will count it to make sure that it is correct. So we have 100, 50, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 24, so that's 420, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 500, 505, 510, 515, and 520. So we have exactly $520. So I created my own sinking funds tracker so that it is digitally. So we'll go to the first one, which is spending. So I do have cash envelopes that I keep inside of my sinking funds envelopes or binder, because at the company that I work at, I don't take all my money out at once, and it's kind of pointless for me to take all these envelopes with me because they're kind of big and I don't want the mini ones. So I just take out a certain amount each day if I decide I want to buy something that day or that week or whatever, and I just put it right back in here. So my gas and my food envelope does not have a sinking funds tracker, but my spending does, because I will be accumulating the money every week that I get paid, and at the end of the month I'll put that all into a separate envelope, and I'll show you all about that when I get to it. So for gas, we have $5 in here right now, and I'll put that off to the side and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with that later. And it's getting $25. So every time I get paid, I'll try to put 25 in here, but I take my brothers to work and they help with the gas, so I don't really have to put too much in my gas tank, at least by myself. Food right now has 10, 11, 12, 13, $14, which is going off to the side, and it will be getting 40, so it's 2 20s. Okay, now I already put all my information into my sinking funds trackers, so I'm not going to do that on camera. So spending is getting 40 today, so we're going to do 20, 40. Medical is getting $5, and it already has $5 in here. So now we're up to 10. Oh, by the way, I created these envelopes on my own, but this binder plus like the envelopes that look like this, I received from a lady on Etsy. I will leave her Etsy shop in the description down below, so you can get them if that's what you're looking for. So my shoes envelope, this is for all the new shoes that are coming out, that are dropping. I love me some shoes. I can spend up a check getting some shoes, so that's what I'm budgeting for. So the shoes envelope is getting $20. So now we have 20, 40. All right, now come on. Okay, gaming is for going to the casino and going with my grandma and trying to hit that jackpot. We all need it. So right now has 5, and it's getting another 5. And I just started cash stuffing last check of March, so that's why it's so little. It's basically my second time. Subs is for subscriptions, and it's getting $10. So we're at 20. And I'm trying to save up for a year's worth for these subscriptions, so every year I could just go deposit the money in my account and we'll be good to go. So extra I will come back to once I'm done stuffing everything else, and I'll tell you exactly what this extra envelope is for. Beauty is to get my lovely hair done. Always give me some braids, and they be costing an arm and a leg. So Beauty is 15 right now, and it's getting another 15. So a 10 and a 5. And we're at 10, 20, 25, $30. So that is correct. So this binder, my purple one, my lovely purple one that has my name on it, is mainly for my cash envelopes and my short-term sinking funds. I don't plan on stuffing these until I reach the cap, and then I will be done. And then once I take money out of it, I'll restuff it again until I reach that cap. So I have a blue envelope or binder, I'm sorry, that are for my long-term sinking funds. So next we have Christmas, and Christmas will be getting 50 or 25. And right now it has 25, so we're getting a 20 and a 5. So right now we're at 20, 40, 45, $50 in Christmas. Car is really for insurance, the deductible, because I haven't had to do nothing much on my car since I had it, and it's been almost 4 years now. So I'm really just saving up for the deductible. And right now it has 30, 10 and 20, and it's getting another 30, 20, 10. So right now we have 20, 40, 50, $60 in here. Travel, oh, I don't know why that's coming out. All right, travel has 50 in it right now, and I have a vacation coming up in July, so I'm really trying to get this to at least 500 by then. So it's getting another 50, so it's at $100. Home, I'm saving this to save up to buy a home, maybe a deposit or fully paid off, you never know. So right now we're at 30, and I'm gonna put 40, so 20, 40. So right now we have 20, 40, 60, 70. Emergency, right now my cap for it is 1,000, but there really is no cap. I'm going to try to do the 6 month worth of bills in here. So emergency has 20, 21, 22, and we're going to put 60 in here. So we're going to do the 50 and the 10. So now we have 50, 70, 80, 81, 82. Savings right now only has $4 in here. I'm really just trying to stuff this whenever I can. If I have the money for it, I will. If I don't, then I can't. But it's getting a 20, or 2 10s rather. So we now have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay. Now, we're going to go back to my extras envelope. Okay. So, extra right now, let's go back to it, only has $1. And this is just $1 that the ATM wouldn't take because it's all old and wrinkly and stuff. So an extra is basically my extra debt payment. So all the money that I got left from my cash envelopes is gonna go in here. Plus the extra money that I have from my paychecks is going to go in here. So we have 100, 120, 130, 135. So take that one out. Let's get this together. 10, 5 ones. All right. So all together we have 1, 120, 130, 140, 145, 150, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. We have $155 in here. So we're going to put that in there. So that is the end of all of my envelopes, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back next week, maybe, or this week, you never know, with another video, and I'll explain my budget planner, because since I created this on my own, I'm really proud of it, and I'll tell you all about my budget and how everything is going. So bye.